Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video is posted in years past. Today is January 19th. On this day in 1961, the Washington, D.C. metro area saw 8 inches of snow, which caused crippling traffic jams in the area on the day before John Kennedy's inauguration. The snow forced the president-elect to cancel dinner plans and reportedly had only 4 hours of sleep due to a struggle to keep other commitments. Former President Herbert Hoover was unable to fly into Washington National Airport due to the weather and was forced to miss the swearing-in ceremony. As of 1998, the airport is now known as Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport. On this day in 1977, for the first and so far only time in recorded history, snow fell in South Florida. The system started the day before and produced snow for other parts of the state when a pressure gradient between a strong ridge over the Mississippi Valley and a nor'easter over Atlantic Canada sent cold temperatures southward into the state. The first areas to receive snow were around Pensacola, then the rest of the Panhandle. The snow accumulated an inch in Pensacola. After record accumulations for the Nature Coast, areas from Orlando to Tampa received light snow accumulations in the range of 2/10 of an inch to a half an inch. Before sunrise on the 19th, West Palm Beach received snow flurries for the first and so far only time on record, with the flurries also reaching as far south as Homestead. The snow caused little impact as it was dry and melted on contact within 40 minutes, but the cold air resulted in hundreds of millions of dollars in damage to the winter citrus industry. Orlando tied the 1899 record of more than 6 consecutive nights well below freezing. On this day in 1993, the state of Arizona was finishing an unusual series of Pacific storm systems that tracked across the state that started on the 6th and produced heavy and prolonged rains across the state. The heavy rains caused the most widespread and severe flooding in Arizona since the turn of the 20th century. The rainfall over the 2 weeks caused multiple flood peaks on most streams and rivers. The raging Salt River washed away a large garbage landfill and portions of the new Mill Avenue Bridge under construction. The Gillespie Dam west of Phoenix was damaged as high water spread throughout the low-lying areas. One man drowned while trying to cross the Agua Fria River. Phoenix alone sustained at least $4.2 million in damages, which would be over $9.1 million in 2025 United States dollars. That month was the wettest January on record, as well as the fourth all-time wettest month, with 5.22 inches recorded at the airport. The total rainfall for both December and January for Phoenix was 8.3 inches, a record for 82 consecutive months. The Red Cross reported 678 dwellings destroyed or damaged, with statewide damages estimated to be at least 56,1993 United States dollars. In 2025 United States dollars, over $122.3 million would be needed to equate to that. On this day in 1996, after the blizzard of 1996 was over, temperatures in the mid-Atlantic were unseasonably mild, and that caused one of the worst snowmelt floods on record for the region. On the 19th, there was still a tremendous amount of snow on the ground. Temperatures in the region reached the 50s and 60s ahead of an approaching cold front. At 7 a.m. in Washington, D.C., the temperature was 60 degrees, with a dew point of 60 degrees, both unusually high for a January morning. The warm temperatures combined with rain to melt much of the snowpack released into the waterways. Much of Pennsylvania also suffered from floods from unseasonably mild temperatures and heavy rain from a squall line that caused the snow from the blizzard to rapidly melt. The flood killed 17 people in Pennsylvania and caused major flooding to several Pennsylvania locations, including Altoona, Pittsburgh, Hollidaysburg, Harrisburg, Bedford, and Huntingdon. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. And if you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel.